right, now is the time. We're going to do a little bit of a laughter therapy group. Helen, let's kick it off here.
Okay. So we're going to start with the ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Remember, put our faces like this. Oh, wonderful smiles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Yay! Good job, everybody. All right, so we're going to start with the laughter beach ball. So remember, as I throw it, you're going to laugh, and then you'll laugh as you throw it back. Beth, I'm going to throw it to you. Excellent. Who you throwing it to? Want to throw it to Jesse? Come on.
Throw it, Beth. Come on, I'm waiting.
You can do it.
Right.
Throwing it to Mary? Oh, go along. Yeah, Jesse, who you throwing it to?
I'll throw it to me.
Okay. Okay.
There you go.
Excellent. I'll put that away because we're going to do another laughter exercise. Remember the ho, ho, ha, ha, ha with our chicken wings? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Yay! Good job, you guys. Okay, what's another one we like? Airplane safety. Remember that? We've got the oxygen mask.
Yeah.
So we go ha, ha, ha. Seatbelts he. The exits are ho, ho, ho. And the aisles ha, 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 ha. Okay, ready? Oxygen mask. Ha, ha, ha. Seatbelt. He. Exits. Ho, ho, ho. And the aisle. Great. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Yay.
You can join us.
And should we do milkshake laughter? Remember, we have our 2 shakers, and we're going to pour. We're going to go, ah, ha, and then we enjoy it. Okay? 1,
That's
2,
a beer.
3. Ah, ha. That works out kind of our cheek muscles a bit in our stomach, doesn't it? Okay, we'll do ho, ho, ha, ha, ha again. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Yay! Good job, you guys.
Thank you guys so much. Thank you for the sneak peek at your laughter therapy, and thank you all for taking part with us this morning. Again, one more time, if people want more information on laughter therapy, where should they go?
www.laughingoutloud.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Helen.
Thank you.